The year is 88.
Yeah. I just want to be your man, girl. So, gotta make you understand, girl.
It's the way you give your hand and your stylish goes away. When you walk into the room, all my partners stop and stare at you. But they just wanna push you up.
Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video we're featuring Curlyme hair. Big thank you to Curlyme hair for sponsoring today's video. Now let's jump into this look. Go ahead and like this video before we even get into it, because baby, this one tea. Okay, so I have a 22-inch kinky straight half wig from Curlyme hair. It did come with a few free gifts. Now the inside construction of this one, you have a comb right at the front where the base is. You have two on the side and one in the nape area. This also has a drawstring inside, and it has an elastic band with silicone grip. So there are so many reinforcements in this one to stay in place. So my hair was previously braided into like a beehive with leave out, and this was specifically for a crochet install. But when I tell you this braid pattern came in clutch for this wig, this has to be the most secure, best fitting half wig that I have installed yet. It is perfect. The way I was able to slip the comb at the base right under the braid, same for the nape area. This doesn't move. It actually feels like I have a sew-in. Like, this is bomb. So more about the hair. I'm going to talk to you about the hair while I go ahead and install this. So this is a soft texture kinky straight hair. And when I say soft, it is softer because I've had very coarse kinky straight. This is on the softer side. This is a natural black and it's 22 inches long. I'm not sure of the exact density, but I will pop it right here on the screen or in the description box. It is very full. So once I put this on and I take my perimeter braid out, if you're a super naturalista girl, you don't even really have to press your edges out. You just do the minimal blending, maybe a little bit of product, and you're good to go. But for those of you that know kinky straight, you know there's like a few crimps and whatnot in there. So I did use a flat iron to press out those crimps. My flat iron is on a low heat setting. It's actually on 345. And that's because my leave out has so much product in there and it's already super heat damaged. I didn't want to fry off the rest of the edges that I have, so I kept it low and I did use some heat protectant. But I'm going to use the flat iron and I'm going to press out my edges along with some pieces of this hair. So you can wear this in so many different styles. The versatility is endless because there is a drawstring and a comb in the nape area. You could wear this in a ponytail, high bun, half up, half down, anything you can think of. I do have leave out in my nape area because of the braid pattern that I had, but for this video I didn't feel the need to leave it out, and I really didn't want to put any heat to my nape area, so I tucked it under the wig. But I'm going to show you how to wear this straight in like a flip over method. I did not do any baby hairs. Baby hairs in kinky straight, it's like a love-hate. Sometimes it's cute, sometimes it's like, what is going on? So I opted out of the baby hairs. I did use a little bit of edge control to slick my edges back because it's super hot. I'm not even going to try to get them bone straight because it's not going to last. So I show you how to wear this in a straight style. Curlyme did also provide a headband, so I'm going to show you how to style this up with a little headband. The headband is bomb because the headband can conceal little like imperfections. So if your hair is not the straightest, you slap a headband on and it will camouflage that. Or if you're not comfortable wearing it up in a ponytail, the headband will help. But I show you how to wear it in a straight texture with the headband. I show you how to wear it in a ponytail, and I show you how to wear it in a bun. I'm also going to curl this hair up at the end. This hair, I think this is my favorite. The curls have to be my favorite. So I found this Wandcurl that I had. It's by Hot Tools. This is, I think, one of my favorite Wandcurl irons yet. I'm going to link everything I use in the description box, but I was able to get this hair to hold a curl without hairspray. I was able to Wandcurl this hair and get some waves in there, and that has to be my absolute favorite. That is how I'm wearing it right now while I'm doing this voiceover. I have to run out the house in a little while, and please believe that is how I'm going to be wearing this. It is so natural. It is so lightweight. It fits so good, and baby, you can get this off Amazon. What? I didn't even know Curlyme was on Amazon. And baby, I frequent Amazon all the time. I did not know they were over there. So I'm going to leave all the links down in the description box in case you were interested. Don't forget to like this video. I'm going to add it to my playlist of Leaveout hairstyles. I have a playlist of all Leaveout hairstyles, natural-ish hairstyles. So definitely check that out if you want some inspiration, or if you want to see different ways that I have styled like half wigs, clip-ins, and all of that. Check out that playlist. But as I stated, all links will be down below. Big thank you to Curlyme for sending over this bomb half wig. I'm gonna say this is in my top 2 because so far I have 2 straight texture half wigs that I really like, and if you guys know the channel, you know who made the other one, but this one is definitely up there with that. So big thank you to them. Let me know how you guys feel about these half wigs making a comeback, and let me know which style you like better, whether you like it straight, ponytail, half up, half down, or just the wand curl flip over. And I will see you beauties in the next video. Bye.
Yeah. I just want to be your man, girl. So, gotta make you understand, girl.
It's the way you give your hand and your stylist goes away when you walk into the